Let's talk about latex mattresses, which is fast becoming a very popular segment amongst a lot of users. I've been trying out the latex mattress Morning Owl sent to me for the last few days. Before we talk about the pros and cons of latex mattresses, let me share my experience of using this mattress as compared to a memory foam mattress. I do have a personal preference for firm mattresses, possibly because I'm a predominantly back sleeper. I also prefer very firm pillows as well. Probably also the reason I don't like hotel beds and pillows. Compared to the memory foam mattress I use, the latex mattress is definitely a lot firmer, which I find more beneficial for my back in particular. Bangalore has been a lot hotter this year than many other years. In my regular mattress, I could feel a prickly heat on my back due to the heat dissipated from the mattress. I did not feel the same in the latex mattress, which we'll talk about later. I toss and turn quite a bit in my sleep as well, which can be disturbing for your partner.
Let's test it out with an empty tube, which needs very little movement to fall off. As you can see, the tube does not fall at all in a latex mattress, proving that motion transfer is the least.
Other than the comfort-based benefits I spoke about, what are the other benefits from natural latex mattresses? It's very useful for people who suffer from allergies. Rubber is known to be naturally antimicrobial, which means that it repels harmful bacteria, mold, and dust mites, which is a common occurrence in other mattresses. It's low maintenance. Since it repels dust mites and mold, natural latex foam mattresses require lesser cleaning and maintenance compared to other types of mattresses. It's very useful for very hot areas as well. Like I shared in my experience, many foam-based mattresses are obviously synthetic and the chemicals that they use retain heat, whereas natural latex allows for natural airflow through the latex foam. The open cell structure of latex mattresses allows it to be a lot more breathable. It's very useful for people who have a preference for organic or natural. The skin is the largest organ in the body, as we all know. Considering that we typically spend 1/3 of our lives in the bed, why would we want to expose our largest organ to unnatural substances? Many chemical-based mattresses release toxic gases, which we may be breathing every night. These toxic gases can be linked to health issues such as cancer, infertility, development brain disorders as well. I've linked to a report in the description. They're a lot more eco-friendly as well. It is made from the milk-like sap of a rubber tree. This is then processed into natural latex foam. They're expected to be a lot more durable. Now this one has to be seen because latex mattresses are only coming in vogue in India right now. Internationally, it has been shown that they're expected to last a lot longer than foam mattresses, 12 to 20 years compared to 8 to 10 years of other types of mattresses. The main reason we get rid of mattresses is because of two things. One, it has gotten mold, which is not the case with latex mattresses. Or second, it has become saggy, which is expected to take a lot longer in latex mattresses compared to other memory foam mattresses as the material bounces back to its original shape after use. Since both of these are not applicable for latex mattresses, the durability of a latex mattress is a lot longer. So what type of sleepers is a latex mattress ideal for? Stomach or back sleepers, as I said earlier, as it is a lot more firmer than a memory foam mattress. Heavier people may also prefer latex as it is more firm and the sleeper will not sink into the mattress. But is it all good? Well, no product is perfect. Therefore, there's always room for improvement. Yes, latex mattresses are much more expensive than other mattresses. But considering the durability of almost double and other benefits that I already spoke about earlier, the higher price could be more than justified if you do have the budget for it. Amongst them, all natural latex mattresses are the most expensive as the entire mattress is made from natural rubber. If you are getting a lower priced latex mattress, it could mean either one of these two things. One, it's a synthetic or blended latex, which means not all of it is natural. Second, it only has a latex topper or a top layer, which is 1 to 2 inches of latex to give you some of the benefits of latex mattresses, but not all of them. It is definitely heavier than other types of mattresses, like memory foam. If you would like to move or rotate your mattresses frequently, then these can be a lot more difficult as they are heavier, as natural rubber is a lot more denser than memory foam. Well, I could move it and rotate it, but I can also do 75 kg deadlift. So I'm not a use case here. A little bit about our sponsor for the video. Morning Owl mattresses are completely made in India. Their mattresses are the only brand in India which have passed the highest standards of scrutiny. They're certified by Eco Institute and Ecotex, which should make you rest assured that the mattress is absolutely safe for you and your family. To reaffirm the durability of the mattress, their mattresses come with a 15-year warranty on the mattress, which is one of the best in the market. If you're still confused what type of mattress to buy, watch this video next where I break it down for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.